very good morning, everybody. Morning. Welcome to the opening bell. Ashley Reeve here. It is an absolute pleasure being with you guys here this morning, guys. As we do get started, remember the information we discuss is opinion and should not be construed as advice in any way. All right, so let's get running here. Let's make sure we know what's going on in the markets. We call it the midweek market outlook here, guys. There's a risk off wave and it's dominating global markets. First up, Australia. The dollar is a bit slumped there, the Australian dollar. Under pressure, sliding to about 0.64 US cents, despite the Reserve Bank's firm stance on inflation. Also, we're seeing the gold really just holding near the 1 month low. It's steady at around $3,940 dollars per ounce, 3,964 to be more specific. The yen did strengthen a little bit there, guys. The dollar standing tall this morning. We had a phenomenal day yesterday, and we want to try and see what's happening there for some corrections. Yes. I see some of the guys are on the line there. Jules, good morning. Good morning. Let's continue. Bitcoin drops below the 100K mark. You can see it right over there. We've pushed down already, guys. Right there, 98,900. Bit of a correction now, but we are below. And then obviously the Nikkei here has also dropped, guys. Tumbled over 4%. It really has a mirror kind of view or image to the Wall Street's sharp decline. That's the US 30, the NAS 100 and so forth. Then the ASX, that's the Aussie stocks. They also dipped a little bit further. Gold and mining shares fell with the commodity prices. The US futures remain weak after Tuesday's tech sell-off. AI stocks like Nvidia and Palantir dragged the NASDAQ lower, guys. So there's a lot of valuation concerns, and there's a lot of warning of a possible between 10 and 20% correction, which is keeping investors cautious. So we'll check that out. So let's look at today's opening bell intraday movements that we'd like to engage in. I see King is there. I'm telling you, King, you've just hit the code right there. If you are not having any fun, what is they use? That's the code. We live by that code, yeah? So we are looking at the Nikkei this morning. Unfortunately, guys, we had absolutely missed this move. I had a beautiful session last night, I beg your pardon. That was the 6 o'clock evening sessions, which you guys should be in. You should be in these sessions, all right? So speak to your account manager. We have advanced sessions there. We're looking at a lot of demonstration, a lot of technical analysis. Ash gets into trades. And obviously, because we can't advise, just know that if you do have funds in your account and you would like to take part, guys, you are more than welcome. All right. I cannot tell you where to get in, but the education is so powerful that it just makes it as clear as daylight. So you would definitely increase your confidence to participate and see what the real market is like. Yeah. So we missed this move. We looked for some downside. We had the levels. Look at this level. Beautiful levels here at 548. Big index, the Nikkei, guys. 50,000 point index. We dropped to the downside. I mean, just this drop alone here, guys, all right, is 4.29%. There's a correction happening at this point in time, and it went really close to the second area here. But how I always mention to the guys in the sessions, and I know T has his way of mentioning to the guys in terms of exits and so forth, is that we try to get the nearest exit, the most recent exit, so you can get your cash, get the bag, and move out. And you can see the first exit was definitely found here. So we're going to wait on the Nikkei. Ash is not going to do anything here. I'm going to wait for it. All right. The second is the USD Swiss franc. I'm looking for a push. Ash is looking for a H1 candle close beneath 0.8850. That's that zone right there, 0.80850. That's what Ash is looking for. All right, looking for a close beneath it. That's an hour. Once this closes, or once a candle body closes beneath, a nice long one, obviously I'm going to go for my shorts here. I'm looking for some dollar corrections today because we had a very strong start to the week with the US dollar. and I'm looking for a correction now midweek, okay? But I'm going to wait and see how that pans out. Hopefully by 3:30 this afternoon, Ash would have had his trade there. Then the NZD CAD, I'm also looking for an intraday move here. I am seeing a bit of strength coming into the Kiwi here, guys, which is obviously opposed to the NZD USD currency pair. Looking for some corrections here. The daily frame is bearish, all right. Weekly frame is bearish. So Ash is really just looking for a correction to the upside. That's it. It's an intraday move, and I'm looking for about 37 pips or so, to the upside. Once that's done, I'm going to reevaluate, station myself in a solidified position, and then obviously I'll be pushing through to see whether I join the daily frame for the overall direction, or if we continue the ascension to the upside. That will mean that we push further up to this area over here. So I'm going to wait for it. I'll pause right there, exit, and then I will wait to see if it pushes to the upside. If it does not, that's okay. That's okay, because we might then just push into the overall or the dominant direction, which is actually bearish here. All right. So this morning's opening bell is pretty simple. It's pretty sleek. All right. And it's very easy to understand. The gold price has not gone anywhere yet, guys. Silver has not gone anywhere. USD JPY, there's that correction that's coming. The US 30, we've already cashed out of this one. And then obviously we have the USD Swiss franc. Ash is waiting for. JPN 225 already pushed. I gotta wait for it. And the NZD CAD, I'm waiting for the upside. Don't forget, cryptocurrency, we are pushing down on that Bitcoin. We dipped. 94327 is what we had mentioned on Monday. That is the price we still stick to. Guys, just so you do know, don't forget that we are absolutely interested in your progress, interested in your independence. We have our FX classes that we are running, obviously, 3 times a day, and we are officially starting with our crypto classes. That's twice a day. We're starting today, guys. That's in the morning, 11:30 a.m., as well as 1 o'clock. That's 1300 hours. That is in the afternoon. So that is going to be a full house for the Academy FX classes, which is also inclusive of some crypto, because you can trade the crypto on the MT5, but on our TD Markets Exchange, our crypto division, there is a platform where you can trade our derivatives as well. You're going to pay some fantastic prices in terms of margin, really cheap, lots of crypto, specifically focused on crypto. And don't forget, guys, we have some unique benefits, your TD Bucks, your ZAR coin, which we will be going into with more detail and depth. We are pretty amped at the Academy to be rolling out the next bunch of classes. So that is 2 additional sessions on crypto for TDME, TD Markets Exchange, our crypto division. That is at 11:30 in the morning and at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. That's Mondays to Fridays. All right, please chat to your account manager, guys, if you'd like some more information on that. But we are pretty amped about that. All right. I'll catch you guys on the charts again later on in the week. I know my brother will be taking over tomorrow's opening bell. Hope you guys enjoyed the trading room. Obviously, we have another one tomorrow, but we are really excited to be in this space. And what we are doing now, we are pioneering and changing things within the financial space here as it relates to our sector. All right, guys. Ashley Reeve here with you guys with the opening bell this morning. Have a fantastic one, ladies and gentlemen, all right? And if you'd like to get any more information and you'd like to find out a little bit more about our support team and how they can assist you if there's any issues, and if there's no issues, you just want some more information, please visit. That's 3 W's, www.tdmarkets.com. You can also email supersupport at care@tdmarkets.com. In the subject header, just put super support, and I can guarantee you that would be the experience. And I want to sign off with this one. If you're not going to have any fun, ladies and gentlemen, what's the use? Ashley Reeve signing out. Ciao, ciao.